We will continue building the Nakajima Ki-43 Hayabusa. We will focus on the rear part of the fuselage and especially the elevator. These parts of the horizontal stabilizer need to be cleaned with a knife at this point. This is how I clean the area around the hinge. Here, at this point, I have to make a nice space. My future hinges clean well with a round nailer. I nicely clean the edge of the printed part with the sandpaper. As always, we will assemble the parts together without using any glue. It's like Lego. Before gluing, I check the straightness of the elevator. Make sure it is perfectly straight. This elevator arm is deliberately made of two pieces. This is so that the direction of printing is along the axis of stress. This helps me prevent breaking this arm. I'll use the thicker glue here. I will assemble it as carefully as possible. Side on side. Any excess glue is not a problem. I will remove it later. It's good to have it well glued here. I'll even add some glue. So, perfect. I have a little trick with a drill for this semi-finished arm. For a perfect finish, I lightly clamp it into the drill. I sand it down with sandpaper until it's perfectly round. Slowly and carefully. Great. I'll slide the elevator arm back in without glue. The other side, here it is. I line it up nicely on a flat board. I'll check to see if it's perfectly straight. I check everything twice. I'll push it out slightly and apply the thin glue to the joint and slide the elevator back a little. I have about a half a second to put it back together. The same here. Turn it and press the parts down into each other.
No.
I'll take another look at the board. I think it's perfect. I'll test how well the stabilizers fit. This has worked well for me. I glued them by applying glue only to the edge of the lock. I use here this medium super glue. I simply slide the stabilizer in there. I'll push it in. Or I'll apply the glue inside the stabilizer. It doesn't matter. It depends on what suits you best. Maybe this is a cleaner method. I'll check if the glue is okay everywhere. I'll check it twice more. Then I won't move it anymore. This affects the final geometry of the aircraft, and it's good to build it right.
Так.
For the elevator rod, I usually use steel wire with a diameter of 0.8 millimeter. This is good enough. I'll take the Z-bend pliers. I'll make a nice Z wire. I'll put it on the arm. I'll then put the wall wire into the fuselage. There is a printed funnel there, like a Bowden cable for the elevator. I'll take it all off nicely. I'll draw the hinges. This is gonna get in no way. I'll cut it over here. Then I'll finish it off in the final. The last piece I will carefully glue only at the top. 2 small drops at the bottom. That's more than enough. The elevator goes smoothly, freely. We have beautifully finished the fuselage. I hope you will succeed too.